Hello students, welcome to SOURAV Sir's classes. The question is, Vitrix Brown, an e-commerce company, gives home delivery of its valuable products after receiving final order on the website by different modes of transportation like bike, scooter, tempo and truck. The probabilities of using bike, scooter, tempo and truck are 2 by 9, 1 by 9, 4 by 9 and 2 by 9 respectively. The probabilities of his delivering the product late to the destination by using these modes of transport are 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5 and 4 by 5. If the product reach to the destination in time, find the probability that he has used the scooter to reach the office. Now, the probabilities of delivering the product late to the destination by using these modes of transport are 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5 and 4 by 5. So for them to reach on time, the probabilities would be 1 minus 3 by 5. So this is 2 by 5. Now 1 minus 2 by 5. So for this it would be 3 by 5. 1 by 5 would be 1 minus 1 by 5. So 4 by 5. For 4 by 5, this would be 1 minus 4 by 5. So 1 by 5. This is probability of reaching on time. Now this 2 by 5 is for bike, 3 by 5 for scooter, 4 by 5 for tempo and 1 by 5 for truck. Now, if the product reached to destination in time, find the probability that he has used scooter to reach the office. Now, using Bayes' theorem, required probability is equal to, now probability that the product will be delivered by scooter, so 1 by 9 into probability reaching by time by scooter, into 3 by 5 by, so 2 by 9 probability of being delivered by a bike into 2 by 5, and similarly for all the others also we'll use this. Now 4 by 9 into 4 by 5 plus 2 by 9 into 1 by 5. Now on solving this, you'll get this to be equal to 3 by 25. So the correct option is option C. The next question is, a pest control person uses a particular machine for his job. It moves along the circumference of a circular hall of radius 49 meters in 148 minutes to finish the pest control. How many minutes more will it take for him to move along the perimeter of a hexagon of side 54 meters? So radius of circular hall is 49 meters. Therefore circumference of the hall is 2 pi r. So this is 2 into 22 by 7 into 49. So this equals 308 meters. And perimeter of hexagon is equal to 6 into 54 is equal to 324 meters. Now time taken to move along perimeter of hexagon is equal to 324 by 308 into 148, and this is 155.69 minutes. So extra time taken is equal to 155.69 minus 148 is equal to 7.69 minutes. So the correct option is option A.